You are welcome to Learning French Beginner to Independent Speaker Anglophone Edition. In this lesson, we'll be learning French sounds. Now, let's begin with our consonant sounds, les sons de consonne. The first consonant sound is your f, just as it is in English. PH and F, they give you f. Examples are fille, téléphone. However, for the second sound, your TH coming together, it doesn't give you f as in English. It actually gives you t. An example is T. So there are three graphemes that give you your S sound. Now, these graphemes are C, S, and then C with a CD. That mark, that accent under the C is called your CD. It softens your C to make it sound like a S instead of a K. So these three graphemes, when they are followed by the following vowels, E, I, Y, or that O and E joined together, plus a consonant, they will give you your S sound. An example is your citron. You see your citron, the C is followed by an I and then a consonant. So it's citron. Your saucisse, saucisse, you see your C followed by an I and a consonant as well. And then sa, you see your CD under it. So whenever you have your CD under your C, it gives you your S instead of a K sound. However, when your C is followed by A, O, U, that same O and E together, plus a vowel this time around, it then sounds like a K. An example is your cat. Okay? And then your K, of course, just as it is in English, we pronounce as K. Your Q will not be pronounced as Q, like queen in English, but it will be pronounced as K. That's why the second example after your cat is quatre, not quatre. No, it is quatre. And then your CH, which will ordinarily be ch in English and sh most of the times in French. In this case, whenever your CH is of Greek origin words like choral, you don't pronounce it as a sh, but as a k, like in your choral. Now, TCH is also found in most borrowed words, like match. Other than that, your CH is pronounced as sh. Examples like chaise, marché, chef, chauffeur, sh. Okay? Now, your G, when your G is followed by E, I, or Y, those same E, I, Y that makes your C sound like a S, your G will sound like a J. Examples are âge, jaune, visage, garage. But when your G or your GU, another grapheme is GU, when your G or GU is followed by AOU, those same AOU that makes your C become K. You see, can you see the connection now? They will make your G sound like G. Examples are garçon, bag. You say GU, bag. Guitar, GU, guitar. Okay. Your S, sandwiched by two vowels. When your S is in between and then two vowels sandwich that S, it gives you the Z sound. Examples are poison, loisir, chaise. But when your S is not in between two vowels, it's pronounced as S. Be careful. The first example, poison, there's another word that has a double S, spelled almost the same way as your poisson. Poison, that is poisson, fish. So imagine you're trying to say fish, poisson, and you end up saying poison. Or you're trying to say poison, and you end up saying poisson. So instead of buying fish, you buy poison. Or instead of buying poison, you buy fish. Okay, that's just. By the way, okay, so the last consonant sound here on our list is your G and N coming together. It gives you the yeah kind of sound, like and yeah coming together. Examples are onion, pagne, champagne. And that's it for your consonant sounds. Don't worry about having to, how do I know all of this? How do I master? We're going to do a lot of exercises. Let's go. Now, before we go into our exercises, we're going to look at our vowel sounds, les sons de voyelle. Now, the first grapheme here is A and U, E, A, U, and O. This grapheme sound like O. Okay, examples are chapeau, O, and orange. The next grapheme on our list is EU, E and U. The sound is E. Yes, I know. E. Examples are P and Y. So not O, but E. The next grapheme, don't worry, we're going to play a lot of games, a lot of exercises, and then before the end of this lesson, you'll be a genius. The next grapheme is IEN together. It's kind of like you're saying Ian, Ian, Ian together, right? So examples are chien and bien. We know this. Ça va bien. So that's how bien is spelled. The next grapheme is IN, AIN, EIN. These graphemes produce a nasal vowel sound. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, it's like you want to say in English, but examples are pain, main, câlin. I and Y are pronounced like your E in English. Lycée and papillon. Why did I say papillon and not papillon? We're going to learn that sound. Hold that thought. Just relax. Hold that thought. The next grapheme is your E accent aigu. You see that sign on the E, accent aigu. EZ at the end of a word and ER at the end of a word. Examples are marcher, accent aigu, marcher, né, danser. UI coming together gives you oui, oui. Examples are oui, yes, that's how you write yes in French, oui, and puis. Now, we saw our accent aigu earlier. Now we're saying accent grave. The accent aigu going up makes your E sound like A, right? But your accent grave sliding down makes your E sound like eh. Okay, so your E accent grave, EI, AI, and AI accent circumflex. That cap, some people call it accent chapeau, is your accent circumflex, is your they make your they make the sound eh when they are in these graphemes. So examples are mer, neige, chaise, and naître. IAN is like you're saying ian, e and together ian. So examples are viande and Nigerian. Now, remember the thoughts I told you to hold? Let's bring it here. Let's talk about it. When I was talking about when I mentioned or pronounced papillon, okay? So your ILLE will give you that E, E, okay? So ILL ordinarily will give you the E. So except for words like mille, ville, and tranquille. Mille means thousand, ville means city, and tranquille means, of course, tranquility, silence, you know. Examples are of words that have this sound, there's a y sound, except for our exceptions, are fille and famille. Now, your ON, OM are nasal vowel sounds. Uh, uh, Examples are monde and tomber. Monde, tomber. Now, your TION in French is chant, like attention, like nation, generation. But in English, in French rather, it's kind of like softer sion. Sion is like si and on. No, sion. Examples are natation and génération. You see our accent aigu again? Making your E sound like A. Génération. Now you've mastered that, you see? But our exercises are still coming after this, right up after this. Now, OUILLE will give you ui, yeah. So your OU gives you u ordinarily on its own. I've shown you your UI giving you ui, and then your ILL giving you y. So this grapheme will give you ui. Example is nuit. Now, OI is wa, pronounced as wa. Examples are moi, poisson, poison. Wa, wa, wa. Now, I accent trema, AI trema, those two dots are called trema. What do? They help you pronounce the sounds individually. So, an example is maíz and I. That means ouch. I. Okay, OIN is like and coming together like you're saying on. So examples are coin and loin. And finally on our list is your AIL pronounced like your I. Okay, so travail, I. Now we're going into our exercises. Get ready. Now it's time for our exercises. Take a deep breath. Whew. You got this. Now listen. We're starting our les sons de voyelles, vowel sounds. I'm going to ask you the question. Vous entendez quoi? What do you hear? Vous entendez quoi? Are you ready? Chameau. Chameau. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Da, 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 da. It is C. Chameau. I hope you got that. Score yourself. If you didn't, we're going to the next one. Get ready. Now the next one. Deep breath. Vous entendez quoi? T. T. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Da 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 da. It is A. Day. I hope you got that. Score yourself. If you didn't, many more trials to go. Now for the next one. Vous entendez quoi? Jour. Jour. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's B. Jour. Bravo! Jour. I hope you got that. Okay? If you didn't, we're still going. We're still going. We're still going. Okay, are you ready for the next one? Vous entendez quoi? Ben. Ben. Is it A, B, C, or D? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's B. Bang. Yippee! It's bang. Voila. Okay, let's keep going. And we go again. Vous entendez quoi? Pain. Pain. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Is it A? Is it B? C? Or D? Pain. What do you think? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Oh, yes, it is pain. It's pain, pain, pain. It's D. Okay. Good job if you got it. If you didn't, we're still going. Don't lose heart. Okay, the next one. Vous entendez quoi? Chou, chou. It's very simple. A, B, C, or D. You've got this. Very simple. Let's see. Drum roll. What could the answer be? Alas, it is shoo. They all had the oo sound. I just switched the consonants, beginning consonants. I knew you could get it. Shoo. Okay, I've given you one of the tricks I'm using for this. Next one. Here we go again. Vous entendez quoi? Lit, lit. Is lit A, B, C, or D? Of course, you got it. It's C. Lee. I think this is the simplest we've done so far. Lee. Okay, keep scoring yourself. You're doing well. We're doing well. Doing well. Now the next one. Vous entendez quoi? Amuser. Amuser. Is amuser A, B, C, or D? Amuser. Drum roll. What could the answer be? Are you ready? That was a trick question. I see you were getting too comfortable or too confident. I needed to shake you a bit. All the options are correct. Amuse A, amuse B, amuse C, amuse D. If you got this correctly, then bravo. Okay. Okay, and now for the next one. Vous entendez quoi? Pluie. Pluie. Is pluie A, B, C, or D? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yes, it's C. It is C. Pluie. Okay. Hope you're still scoring yourself. We're still going. Vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Mère. Mère. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Another trick question. It's both B and C. Mère and mère. Okay. I hope if you got that, I mean, fantastic. If you didn't, if you got just one of the two options, you're still doing well. If you didn't get it at all, we're still going. Don't lose hope. Vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Médaille. Médaille. A, B, C, or D? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yes, go ahead and take your médaille because if you said médaille is médaille D, then you got your médaille. Bravo, take your medal for that. Médaille is D. Okay? If you didn't, remember, don't give up. We're still going. I hope you're still scoring yourself. I would like to know how many you got correctly in the comment section. Okay, next one. Vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Son. Son. Is son A, B, C, or D? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Alas, another trick question. It's B and D. Son and son. Son and son. Hope you're still scoring yourself. Okay, for the next one. Vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Notion. Notion. Notion is notion. A, B, C, or D. A, B, C, or D. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. And it's D. Notion, 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 notion. I hope you're getting this concept, this notion of your sounds. Okay, if you aren't, we're still going. Keep scoring yourself. I want to know how many you got correctly. Okay, next one. Okay, vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Foi. Foi is foi. A, B, C, O, D. A, B, C, O, D. A, B, C, O, D. Tick. I hope you're getting the concept of the trick questions now. Of course, it's A and B and C. Foi and foi and foi. Okay, okay. If you did, bravo. If you didn't, it's all right. We got just one or just two of them. It's all right. We're still going. Keep scoring yourself. Let me know how you're doing. Let's do it again. Vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Maïs. Maïs. Is maïs A, B, C, or D? Of course, it's C. Mais. Remember our trema that makes your sound distinct. They make you pronounce your sounds individually, separately. So mais is the answer. Bravo. If you didn't, no worries. We're still going. Now we're going to our consonant sounds. Keep scoring yourself. Okay, are you ready? Vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Philosophique. Philosophique. Is it A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? It's C. Philosophique. Okay, keep scoring yourself, keep scoring yourself, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Ça. Ça. A, B, C, or D? Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Oh, yes, it's a trick question. It's A and B. Sa and sa, sa and sa, and sa and sa. Because if you say D, your CD under the C, making it, your CD makes your, softens your C and makes it sound like S. So, sa. Got it. Keep scoring yourself. Keep coming. We're almost done. 4 more questions to go after this one. So after this one, 4 more questions to go. Vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Cat. Cat. Is cat A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? A, B. Yes, hold it right there. It's B. Cat. It's B. Cat. It's not. It wasn't quatre, but cat. D. Keep coming. 4 more questions to go. Okay, 3 more questions to go. Let's do this. 3 more questions to go. Vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Cherche. Cherche. A, B, C, or D? Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. It is cherche. Cherche. It's C. Cherche. It has 2 cherche. Cherche. Okay. After this one, 2 more questions to go. Vous entendez quoi? Gauge. Gauge. Is gauge A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It is D. Gauge. Gauge. Okay, are you still scoring yourself? 2 more questions to go, and then you can reveal your total score in the comment section. Let's go. After this one last question. Vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Poison, poison, poison. It's poison. A, B, C, or D. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It is C. Poison. Remember, vowel sandwiching your S, making it sound like a Z. Poison. If you got that correctly, bravo. If you didn't, you have one last trial coming up. Okay, and then you can reveal your final score in the comment section. And for the last question, vous entendez quoi? Vous entendez quoi? Champignon. Champignon. Is champignon A, B, C, or D? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's B, champignon. Remember your nya, your G and N come together to give you nya. Champignon. It's B. Now you tell me in the comment section your total score. So, how did you do? Out of the 22 questions, how many did you get correctly? I would like to know in the comment section. And if you feel like your score is too low, you can go back and keep practicing. Bravo! Nonetheless, thank you very much for watching and practicing your French sounds with me for learning. And I look forward to your subscription, your likes, your comments, and your shares. Au revoir. And now you know.